Hi everyone, and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, which is Pair Market Analyst at Handset Markets on Wednesday the 15th of February. Now let's look at cable. Cable is under pressure. You had negative inflation. Well, I say negative inflation. I mean, inflation missed expectations yesterday, and now we've seen the average weekly earnings miss expectations for UK today. You add Yellen into the mix, and that just generally adds up to weakness on cable, pulling cable lower. Now below 24.30, which has been a pivot line in the last sort of 2 months. That is a negative move, because that has been supportive. Not quite confirmed the breakdown yet, obviously not on a closing basis anyway, but if you do sort of break below that, you're pretty much looking at 23.45, which is that spike low from early Feb, and then 22.50, which was these lows around here, mid-Jan. You see the hourly chart, which is now sort of beginning to really deteriorate again. That supportive line around 24.70 is now turned into resistance yesterday and today, and you're sort of breaking down. So the outlook is deteriorating for cable. So probably selling into strength is now increasingly looking like the way to play it. Certainly if it closes below 24.30, I think that is a sort of a level. 24.10 was an old support, so maybe that is an element of support again, so watch out for that. But 23.45 generally is that that sort of 7th of Feb low that we need to look out for. But this certainly has an element of now sort of positioning for a downside move. Certainly again, if the RSI starts to trade, starts to move demonstrably below 30, that would be something to watch out for. And MACD line's negative as well, so it's all sort of edging towards a more sort of negative outlook on sterling once again. So as this dollar is strengthening, that's not to be unexpected. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.